Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebichinwa Ashiburobi. Sharp, ayi agbapu you also just hit the like button and share. Sharp, agama agbapu you also just hit the like button and share this very program. It is very, very important. I'm just going through the buyings and buyings of people by Fulani and in Nigeria. But there is something that I want to highlight to you people. I went through an interview from Al Hassan family in Kogi State. Al Hassan family in Kogi State. The guy, the firstborn, or should I say the son of Al Hassan, who said and narrated how the name Al Hassan came. How can you be a Hassan and you are Igbo speaking? You are not a Muslim. And he narrated everything. That his father brought the Al Hassan, the name Al Hassan, to their own family because of the war. When the war ended, they were buying. The soldiers were practically going everywhere, massacring everybody. So probably they brought a man called Al Hassan, or they brought the name Al Hassan to cover up their family. They said that when the soldiers came, what are your names? We are Al Hassan. I am this Al Hassan. I am that Al Hassan. That is probably how they spent their life. And that is how Al Hassan came to existence. Do you see? And they shot them in Kogi. They said that they are not Igbo. Do you see how they keep on reducing our numbers? We all are testimonial. We all know the testimonies from histories of old. And we said we are about to amend our life. We need to attend too many apologies to the boys, to the men. Oh, come and defend the Biafra land, and we sabotage all of them. We need to attend, even build a monument where we can remember those people. And if there are people living, you people should go and search. If there are anyone living, call them to come and defend the Biafra land, because everyone have to go to each own village settings of defense. Minus that, Igbo land they are fall. This thing that I'm saying here is one of the reasons that they are searching to buy me. I watch a soldier, a brave Nigerian soldier. I would use that name, a brave Nigerian soldier, because of what he did. There is no term Nigerian anywhere, please. Nigeria is a corrupt name from corrupt masturbating jihadists and corrupt Lugard and the Ashawo flourisher who came up with the name Nigeria. But in this very analysis, I will use that name, brave Nigerian soldier, because the guy is a Nigerian soldier. The guy was arrested in 2021. He have spent 4 years, going to 5 years. By next year now, it will be 5 years in detention. What is the crime of the man? As at the time that the Fulani Militia, they said it themselves. The Nigerian government said it. You remember when Fulani held a meeting in our land? You remember that Fulani meeting, which they said AIT broadcasted it, NTA broadcasted it. They said that they have come to reach that they will Islamize Nigeria. They have informed this and they have informed that. They broadcasted that nonsense, where genocide was broadcasted, that we will commit genocide. There is no other way that they will Islamize Nigeria if not killing the minorities. Let us stop telling ourselves lies. I mean, killing the majority, not the minority. Killing the majority and then infusing by force because they have the leadership at their own time. They have situated the leadership of Nigeria in their own palm just because we have coward politicians. All these pampas wearing cowards. If you speak up, they will say, oh, DSS, look for him, oh, and kidnap him. But they will not mandate DSS to look for Fulani, who is kidnapping our own people and apprehend them. Fulani is doing TikTok. Fulani is buying people. They have not mandated DSS to look for the Fulani. But when you speak up, they will go around to DSS. Oh, look at another Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and another Mazi Simon Ekpa. Look for him. Ama kahashi ahumas another Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ataram jiegole beacon. Ataram jiegole. They will say go and look for him. Pick him up. What Fulani is doing with all of you. What Fulani is doing with all of you. So our Hassan family in Kogi State got the name because of how the Nigerian jihad, right from the time of the war, they have orchestrated their jihad, going everywhere buying the Igbos. If somebody said it's not genocide, tell me what's the meaning of genocide. Tell me what's the meaning of genocide. We have pampas wearing, all these pampas wearing politicians going everywhere talking rubbish. Na ko inyo onye obuna enyere penny ya akọrọ inyo gbaduo na akọ erieri na agbado 11 mmadụ na akọ ka onye ebupụrụ battery ya ma abụgo na onye ebupụrụ battery ya. The person have never speak the way they do. They speak some at times. I wonder if there is brain in them. Before I continue there telling you what happened, please. I read this thing that Bishop Hassan Kuka or Bishop Kuka went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I just remembered. I don't want to forget, because I may do all this very program and forget. I remembered that Bishop Kuka went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS. I want to say, please and please, Bishop Kuka said there is no genocide. No Christians, no Christians are Muslim. That man is very corrupt. Bishop Kuka is a very corrupt man. With that, of Christians, I saw hell in Nigeria. And continue to see. I was in Nigeria a few days ago, before I ran away to where I am now. I was in Nigeria a few days ago, in Abuja precisely, because that's where they are looking for me. I went there to do my findings and to connect to some people who gave me raw information. I have families over there, and most of them are connected. That is the only thing that I will tell you. For those who are looking for me, for those before you move, I already know. I have never killed anyone. So looking for me because I'm talking, so shows that you are demon. Oh, he's talking, oh, look for him and buy him. It shows that the demon in you. It shows the demon in you. If only talk, somebody only doing talking, oh, but Fulani is in that country, buying people, making TikTok, you cannot look for them. That is to show how evil that you are. I am Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi. Don't use my voice and know me, please. So, Fulani is practically deserting everywhere. And let me tell you people, that man, what is the name? The man that is, the pastor that is crying out for Trump. I uncovered something. That man will be pied. It's just time. That man, they have orchestrated plan to unalive that man. You know, when at times I speak on this very small platform, they take it for this granted. But you watch it. Is there anything that I won't do that does not come to pass? I'm asking all of you, is there anything I won't do? They will buy that man. You know, there was a time I warned about very dark man that they will buy him if he did not abide in the law of Tinubu before he started working for Tinubu. He's working for Tinubu. Many of you don't know. It is called intelligence, controlling the minds of people. If people want to revolt, he is the one to do video, channel their minds elsewhere, and they will keep on waiting in vain. It is intelligence. Intelligence. They cannot. Attending school is not education, please. We have professors in that country which probably a shithole. Going through their border is just a hell. Going through their border is just a hell. Tell me which other country that you will cross their border that is like Nigerian border. And in that country you have all the terrorists shipping their ammunition. But their border is messed up. You see criminals extorting money. Extorting money. One was asking me that you look like that guy that used to do programming, man, Oremi Juice, in my recent visit. I said, oh, no, not me that he was asking. He was asking somebody beside me. Not me that he was asking. He was asking somebody beside me. And he used the term hello lady to me. So you may have amnanya. But it is well. This Ghana Ivory Coast border. Once you come to a border, how border ought to be. You see too many markets. There is big market here. Ghana Ivory Coast border. There. Ghana Ivory Coast border. Very big market. You will not even know that there is border. You see very beautiful carved border. You think that it is an entrance to somebody's compound. You may not know that it is an entrance to another country. You see big market here. You see park. You cannot see roadblock anywhere. You cannot see people extorting anywhere. That is the country that all of them. I look at the political jobbers on the internet. Marketing very bad market. That is the type of country that they want to market to everyone. Oh, we are the giant. We are the giant. Talking rubbish. I am Onyebuchinwa Shibrobi, please. Onwa Shibrobi Kambo. Corona Shinshi Corona in Yoshiabapo. Wafi. What I have brought upon this very platform is nothing but the undiluted truth. Nothing but the undiluted truth. Is yokunke chineka na akomeni. Is yokunke olisabenigwe. When you pass through that country, it's a messed up. Total mess. Total mess. But we must continue. We must continue on this very program. We must, and it is a must that we must continue preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Now, Fulani have totally emasculated everywhere. They have totally emasculated everywhere. With people changing their names. They did it during the war. Maybe by the time they start pushing now, your people will start converting overnight. All those cowards, they will start converting overnight. Many of them have bought kettle, hide it under their pillowcase. Many of them have bought that thing that they are counted. Allah Quarante, Allah Quarante, Many of them have bought it. and waiting for the day that they will march. They will wear their distance. What are they calling it? This Okunda na emeha ụmụashi. Ha na-eme ka nwamkpi ya na-ebe ha ugwu. Ha na-eme ep. Ebe ụmụashi nọ ka ha na-adị ike. Ụmụazị ma nwoke ma nwaanyị ịgaruo in all this Islamic country, ụmụazị ma nwoke ma nwaanyị na-awa pampas, ha jide gị ha agbara ishie gị. That is one thing that they want to bring. They want to bring the curse of Elohim, Eze Chukwu Okike Abịama, upon the planet Earth and allow the Chukwu Okike Abịama to destroy mankind. But God will never permit that. We are here just to preach nothing but the undiluted. So when you get to Biafra land now, practically everywhere is down. The only thing saving the Biafra land now is the Ebube, the old glory of protecting every root and cranny. And that is the reason why you see DSS, they are smelling everywhere to make sure that anybody talking about the protection of our Igbo is cagged up. Once you are caged, immediately when they blow the whistle, you see the Islamic this thing overrunning everywhere. They we overrun everywhere, practically everywhere. Just be ready. Just know that the total Islamization agenda is being championed by Tinubu. I saw Ezekiel Dachomo saying that Tinubu is handicapped. Who told you that Tinubu is handicapped? Tinubu is part of the Islamic agenda. He is part of the Islamic agenda. Under Tinubu, a new Islamic system is born in Yoruba land. That you represent Boko Haram, Maeti Allah, terrorist organization, and the rest in the West. A new Islamic destiny is born in Yoruba land. Are you not aware that, Chomo? Please, when you people speak, remove political correctness in your speech. That is what makes me to hate a lot of you. Ezekiel Dachomo, you have been good in speaking up, calling the international community. But don't exonerate Tinubu. Tinubu is part of the Islamic world plan. Under him, a new Islamic destiny. It is under Tinubu that you now see Yoruba clerics telling you that Boko Haram is a savior. Boko Haram is saviors of the Islam. Have you seen such before? I'm asking you. Have you seen such before? For those of you saying, oh, Tinubu is, many of you undirect the taqiyya of Islam. Islamic taqiyya, many of you undirect Islamic taqiyya. Well, if you undirect Islamic taqiyya, they will take each and every one of you. That is the reason why they tell you that they will enter into every village, every place, every nation. That is the reason. And they are coming. After the fall of Nigeria, of course, the Igbo clan will not fall that easily. The Igbo clan will not fall that easily. No matter the sabo, they will not fall that easily because there are things that Igbos do about their own protection, which I am not going to speak on this very platform, please. They are not going to fall that easily. But after the fall of Nigeria, Benin, Togo, Ghana will be a rough ride, but Ghana will suddenly fall. That is if the whole Africa do not stand up. Ghana will be a rough ride. I am saying it again. Ghana will be a rough ride, but Ghana will definitely fall because in Ghana, they have taken some strategic positions. You see some places that they are dominant. You know, when Islam is dominant in some places, they start from there. You cannot collect that place from them. They stand from there and kick every other place. Once you decide to chase them away from there, they become playing the victim card. they begin to tell the international community that you are annihilating them. That's just it. Like I tell some of my friends in Ghana, I used to let them know, this thing that you have allowed them to occupy some large amount or some large portions of lands, you will cry definitely. And that's just it. You will cry definitely. If you go to Ghana, some villages, please listen to me. You know, sometimes I said, and I told some of you, that there was a time they wreak havoc in Ghana, and the Ghana government have to switch. Right now, the government is not even, they are not doing anything right now. They are not doing anything, but they are taking strategic positions. These are the people, they are strategic in whatever they do. You look at them as if they don't have brain, but they have brain. They have their calendar, they have their map, and the way that they wants to occupy and take over everywhere. They want to take over the entire Africa for under Islam. But I see what God is doing. God, Almighty God, the creator of heaven and earth, is going to disgrace them. But let me move to Igbo land, which I said will not fall that easily. In Igbo land, you have a lot of saboteurs. All the political criminals are sabo. All of them wants to get money from Abuja, so they wish to sound politically correct, even though that they knew that they are being stupid. They wish to sound politically correct in order to extort money from Abuja. Ndoshi. Political correctness everywhere. Criminals on here everywhere. In Igbo land today, there are some places that are no-go area. There are some places that are no-go area. Starting from Igbo land in what are they calling, Benin City. Benin. That's where the Igbo land starts. I have a lot of friends from what are they calling this clan? What are they calling them, please? I have forgotten. I have a lot of friends there. Asian. I have a lot of friends from Asian. That is where Igbo land starts. And there are people bearing Nkechi, Chukwuemeka in Edo State, not Benin, Edo State. There are people bearing Nkechi, Emeka, Ngozi. I know a lot of them that are my friends that are bearing Igbo name. I know a lot. We must consistently preach this without our meaning on. They have positioned themselves, pushing. And let me say something here. If you go to Benin, their forest is under Fulani. Fulani have all their forest. There are large tons of guns and ammunition situated in Edo State. Edo forest is gone. And from there, there is a very thick forest in Delta State where Fulani have taken. They have large tons of Militia in Delta. Delta State, Fulani have large tons of Militia in Delta. Some of them will say, oh, he talks a lot. Because some of you go and listen to all this Omochi telling you, oh, they are in Biafra struggle. Gaga Joha. Olema as Simon Ekpa Shiweme and Olema as Nnamdi Kanu Shiweme or Oleha Shiweme has, oh, we are now in in new dimension stage. Now new dimension kahano. New dimension unneme Biafra. Unneme Biafra on internet. And the Fulani in your land. Ndoshi. Here, some of them listening to all these all these criminals, retired criminals, carrying portfolio, all this identity theft, and all this this disabled woman in psychiatric Georgia, that bought laptops for Kelenna. Many of you don't know that criminal called Kelenna. They were part and parcel of the people begging me to feature him. People were begging me on his behalf when Mazi Simon Ekpa was around. So he's trying probably to enjoy talking rubbish. I heard that he used one of my program and said truth from how many months? Someone sent it to me. I looked at it and laughed. Image cleansing. By this time, all these criminals telling you, packaging nonsense to you people, supposed to be telling you their effect in Biafra land. And Biafra land is no-go area. Fulani have taken over everywhere. They are on the internet marketing nonsense every day. It is telling you one rubbish or the other. After 1 year plus, Hannah got 2 years now. By next year, now I got 2 years. They are still on the internet telling you, oh, we are government, we are government. You are government on the internet. What about the land where you're supposed to have government? When we are not a government, the people of Biafra felt the effect of Biafra because they were defended. Now that you become a government, you retire to the internet and leave your land. Ndoshi, 21st criminals, 21st century criminals up and down. Always renting people to speak for them. Identity cleaning. All of them that have no followers then, they now have massive followers. They go there to listen to rubbish. They wouldn't tell you the truth. And your brains are backward. You cannot ask them questions. And hey, Kuya, some of you are listening to them. And I'm hey, Kuya, some of them, you are listening to them. Fulani is taking your land and they are telling you rubbish. Telling you, never got. It's not a government internet. You rule your land. Fulani make it ate. They have taken over everywhere. They have taken over everywhere. But you have a government. We are in government. We are in government. We are in government on the internet. Maka before you people will wake up, ndi Fulani yeji brain ono, where brain ono. Just go on the internet and look at how they buy you. Even a white man, I watch a Truth Beginning one on Twitter, a platform handled by a white man. They are now the ones telling you the places to be attacked before you know it. The other time they warned that so many communities, those communities that they mentioned, they told you that Fulani will attack. Nigerian government come out and say it is a lie, oh, it is a lie. They are giving false information, but Fulani attack. They definitely attack. To tell you that Nigerian government is the sponsors of Fulani, if you do not protect yourself, thinking that you have a government, who cares? Those of you are going to be shocked to what Fulani will do to your brains. They are master strategics when it comes to playing with your intelligence. They play with a whole lot of people's intelligence, please. Don't use my voice and know me. They preach nothing but the undiluted truth. I love all of you. Forget the tone. When I can preach my own preaching. That does not mean that I don't love you. Forget my tone. In my life. Forget the way that I preach. Why I am preaching this way is because of the anger in me. Let's be realistic. And to end this very program, I have to thank those who are standing shoulder to shoulder to protect the land of Biafra. I watched, there is a Ngozi Orabeze's commander called Caterpillar. The criminal Caterpillar warned Adade Oramma I watched somebody saying it on the internet. So when I was away, somebody sent it to me. So when I started going to the internet, so I have to start watching it. That Ada will be brought to Nigeria. That is coming from Ngozi Orabeze's commander, Caterpillar. And all of you remember that this particular Caterpillar Ngozi Orabeze is using as a commander was the first person to say that they will do everything to imprison Mazi Simon Ekpa. That Mazi Simon Ekpa is a killer, he is evil, that they will imprison him. Oh, he kept fighting against Mazi Simon Ekpa till they imprisoned him and they celebrated. That is the same way Ngozi Orabeze have started her own criminality, renting all this Umuchi that you never see before. They just probably came to struggle. We thought that they are this thing. They were begging, oh, please, can I come to your program so that people will begin to see us? Now, I used to tell those people coming to tell me, oh, allow him to come to your program. He watch your program every time. Oh, he tells me that he loves your program. Allow him to come to your program. I used to tell those people, allow these very people to go and preach. If they are serious, if they are sincere to Biafra struggle, allow them. Once they are preaching, Biafra people will follow them organically. Now, their own Madam Nkonyara Nona Georgia, that's a wicked woman. I call Ngozi Orabeze a coward for a reason. She's hiding under Biafra. Biafra, come out with your identity and see if people will follow you. Or hiding under Biafra, then submitting the people's identity to Nigerian government. That is what makes you a coward. Flying to Abuja in disguise every time or not in Abuja. Ask your madam, many of you, that woman, she takes backyard, go to Abuja. Then retire. The Nigerian government, Christopher Musa, even though Asaki go Christopher Musa since your man Asaka na Christopher Musa on a program, and I said Nigerian government and Christopher Musa after going to Abuja. Ndoshi, Biafra criminals and Biafra theft. From me, from here, from the temple of the Grace here, Onyomena Manana, just know that the land, Biafra land, ndị Fulani abịago asekogo, and ndị na-use against you people bụ ndị Igbo. Ndị na-convert ahapụ their identity as Hassan na Azal Hajid Asari Dokubo bụ ndị Igbo. Ụzọma Asari Dokubo ụzọma. Ihe ọ na-azazi Igbo Asari Haji Muhajahid Asari Dokubo. That is a garbage. That name, they came from Abia State. His father is from Abia State. They were slave traders from, what are they calling this village in Abia State, please? In Abia. They were slave traders from that area. Close to Arochukwu. Close to Arochukwu. If it is not Arochukwu, there is a village, but it have run out of my brain. Today they are answering Jahid Asari Dokubo. Who knows what you will answer tomorrow? Gaga check your name or before in a church. Gaga check your name. Obro Ramoto in Aza, Obro Kafayata in Aza, Obro Rukayata in Aza, Obro Pussycat in Aza, in Hovene Masargi Icheji Ubua, because they are coming. It's not you're supposed to be crying as you are hearing me talking it, but you are laughing. They are coming in honor church. Chibanochi dear. When they come, ebutekwe raketo nkegi. Ijikwe ihe ha na anya n'olu. Ikpekwe nkegi, inwekwere buba nke iye. Hey, imagine nwa ashigburu bi na Muslim. ihe mma apịa ụmụ alaji bụ ketekete kpọọkwa mkpụrụ nke m pụta kelee alaji ha nka dede ya sị m ha nka dede ọ mara na ọ nwoke kpụ ihe a ịbịa tapịa nwa ya mmakpụrụ ụlọ alaji nnọọ wee na-ama nwa ya ihe ike mmụọ hei nna echejigokwe m ihe mbụzi na-abụ ahajahid nwachigburobi